One eternity later.
Look at that. What's come out? Size of holes. What flags we've had to lift. These buggers on. Good plates. Oh. Good morning, YouTube. Ooh, it's not a fine day. Tuesday today, as it was bank holiday yesterday again. What we got on today, we've got a Bingley. We're doing some 2 metre V-mesh at school, and there's some black to do round back, just like one panel or the railing, but I think we're going to do it in black mesh. I can't remember exactly how many metres, but it's not a lot. It's 20 odd metres of mesh to do, so it's not really an old timber fence that's fallen down. Get the rest of that up and away. Nice straightforward one, hopefully, to get us back into it. After a few days off, Baggy's off this week. I think he's in Bulgaria. Ben's here now. Morning, Ben. Anyway, I'll get off and we'll get these vans stripped and loaded up and on his way. Yeah, we're just making a start. We've caught them a bit unawares without just getting them moved now. It's a bit stuck over on the edge here where we're going to work. We want to going to move line to just inside of that, but Ben's just nicely discovered we've got a cable running all the way down, probably for some old lights or something, so that'll be a bit gingerly when we dig these, so we'll have to keep that line there. I think there's 8 panels, something like that, 7.5, 8 panels. I mean, the old one started there, but I think I'm going to start it there, inside of this curb there. But what I'm going to do is work out so we don't hit any of them. And that's it, and it just returns one there, and then we've got a little repair to do around there. Great start, first hole here. Right, it's not exactly regs, that is it? About 3 inch down, 4 inch down. We actually had them on top and all, which we thought were armoured cables, but just like pegs, steel pegs. So that's bang where his line should go, really. So we're just going to have to sneak it in there. Hopefully, but you can see it there. Just got a new t-shirts there, alright, aren't they? There they are, look. All modelled by young Jacob.
I look beautiful now.
Nice golf ones, all got them. Nice of them. Oh yeah, these on like a MC Hammer.
Didn't you have any XL hat?
Don't strap you.
I have done, but it's like,
It looks like, who is it out of Family Guy, but he has that hat on top. Oh god, that's funny. We got some hats as well. Not bad, eh? Loads of backfilling and cables on top. Like this bit's just all backfill. Simple job like this. Digging's a bit of a pig. We've got 2 up. We've only got 8 to get in, that'll be 3. Not even 8 anyway, I think it's about 7. Steady away, plodding on.
Final video, just a follow up from Mark's videos at the Trinity All Saints School in Bingley. We're all done and dusted. V-mesh, finished off round staff car park. Looks alright, job done in day, can't ask for more than that, can we? There was an old wooden fence here that had some big mooches that were a bit of a pain. Obviously, on corner one we landed right on it, but we managed to get around it, so not too bad. We've just finished it off here, 2 posts here, just because it was a bit of a funny angle just to use one post, and then we just followed it into the bush. So that's where that is. But all in all, looking well. Another job done on it's Tuesday actually, it was bank holiday Monday yesterday, so it's actually Tuesday, but not a bad job for the first day back. On to the next one.
Sun's out already. Lads are just getting loaded up. Back where we were yesterday, we've got the 2 metre done. They're doing like a bit of an addition round the back. It's like they've got some existing railings next to a wall, and kids are basically just walking up wall and getting round, so they want it sort of blocking off somehow. So we're going to use some mesh and just deciding which to use now, and then we're going to do a repair in Guiseley for the same trust, another school, and then going to pick some gates up and stuff like that. Mine out and about, got a couple of jobs to see this morning. I'm just trying to get this big tender job over at line now. I've got all quote together, I've just got to transfer it over to timber document, which is a bit of a nightmare, but yeah, I'll get off for now, deciding which panels to use, so I'll see you soon.
Back in Bingley today, Trinity All Saints Primary School. Jacob's there, modelling his new hat. He's over at Moon with it. He's even got new t-shirt. Full kit and caboodle. He's looking very professional. Basically, we're just here because this fence ends here, and there's only the short bow top, so I'm presuming kids are climbing in to play football, etc. So they're climbing up wall, swinging round, and walking along here and getting in. So we've come to, well, try to figure out a way out to block them off. The original plan, supposedly at the office, were to go straight along into bushes and put a post in bushes. But as you can see, it's quite dense, so I don't think we're going to be doing that. So Carl's just currently streaming it down here, just so we've got a bit more room, put a post in, and we'll try to figure it out. I'll do an update video once we're done. So after a little bit of research and trimming bush back a touch, we've decided just to go with panel straight off, straight into bushes. I mean, as you can see now, if you look down, there is a fence panel in here anyway. But we decided that we didn't want to trim too much at bush back, because then we're making a weak point down here for them to get in. So we've left that. We've had a word with caretaker, and we've basically told him there's already a panel in here, but if we cut any more back, because the panel only goes there, we're going to make a weak point. So we said that probably his best and easiest solution is just to fasten the panel to the existing fence, but we'll overlap it into the bush, which overlaps this bit here, which means it's too far out for him to walk along and swing round, because he'll just go straight through a bush. Which he said we're absolutely fine, he don't mind that, so that's what we've done. So we've just had to clip it on the other side, and then we'll just trim end off, just to make it look a little bit neater. But other than that, there's not a right lot we can do. But to be fair, it's quite solid where it is, so fingers crossed that'll deter them from climbing round this corner.
We're upstairs. Lovely, it's freezing there. Bloody awful. Carl's getting loaded for tomorrow. Oh, that's good. Gates have gone in bed, and they're all strapped up, ready to go. Oh, that's brilliant, that. Posts and... That couldn't have worked out better, could it? It's strapped in there. Ben's going to strap them up now, and he's just been for some more gates from our good mates at Sea Fabrications. Thanks a lot, Ed and Jason and Jim and all the boys there, the fabricators, look after us. Yeah, brilliant. That's a railing job there that we've got a repair to do Friday, I think that is actually. And then this one, Jason had one in stock for me for another job I've got coming up. Fantastic. Guys, loving life. Jacob's just happily burning away. Are you happy, Jacob?
I'm always happy, Mark.
Modeller's your t-shirt then. Hey up, you've got a hole in it. What's going on?
Oh, Ash landed on it and
What's been there?
Is it? It's beautiful though.
And I gave him yesterday and he's got a hole in it.
I've got two.
Oh
three.
my god.
Show us yours then, Carl.
That's fine.
Yeah,
Tell you what,
it is.
they fit in there good, aren't they?
Yeah, it's how you stack them.
You'll get Jenny and that in here at morning, won't we?
Yeah, I mean, in theory, we shouldn't need Jenny.
Yeah, that's a point.
Look at I'd rather take it and box. It's only really Jenny and tools.
Yeah. Good morning. Nice early one this morning. 6:30. Lads are just setting off to Salford. Got loaded last night. Just stuck tools on this morning. It's only a drilling and bolt. I'll open gate for you. So yeah, they're off to sunny Salford. So I bolt that client out there. So Carl says I won't really need it because my brother's coming. Comes on a Thursday, we do his marketing and stuff. So. And I have to say well done, by the way, because it is working. Very, very busy, so all those efforts in vain. And that's what we're like. Out at 7:15. So yeah, that's for Got railings for tomorrow's job, and that's for another job I've got in a week or two that's just come in. Getting a bit lower on there. Got a couple of gates there for the job coming up, although I've got them ones wrong under there. We're a bit low on stock, aren't we? 2.4, although we have got a few under there. We're doing a stock tape railing, just probably ordering some more. Anyway, I'll get off for now and shall see you soon.
We're over in sunny Salford today. We're doing we think it's like a generator store. It's basically bolt down. 2.4 metre V-mesh along there. Down here there's a set of double leaf gates somewhere here. And then returning back to there. We'll have to straddle that drain. That should be a nice one hopefully, all being well. We're just waiting for his man to turn up and finalise exactly where we're going. So we'll update you later when we've done a bit.
The Highfield pub, hotel, whatever it is. I'm just waiting for the manager to come out now. I think they're after something here by the sound of his email. I'll see what he wants and I'll let you know in a minute. It's not a bad little number actually. They want it from sort of there. It's a busy road, is this Highfield Road. They want it sort of there, going to where them steps are, back a panel, same at other side and down to there. It's basically when they're sat outside and they've got kids and that playing, he's just scared that kids running high in that road, that's all. Well, just a bit of safety, 1.2 metre high. Probably going to have a roll top.
They're always happy. I'd be happy if I were getting paid to do sack all day. We're getting there now. Returns to do. That's us done. We're just loading away the last few bits. It's a nice simple little bolt down job. Set 3 metre double leaf gates. On to the next one tomorrow.
Good morning. Friday already. Oop, the guy just felt a drop of rain then. We're just unloading rest from yesterday. Lads got finished at Salford, I think they were. Cool. We have got the post somewhere. In fact, I bet there. Should be roughly 2.4, I think, shouldn't they? Yeah, so basically we're doing this job today, which is a little railing. We're doing this one here. There's like 3 railing panels and a little double gate to do. I think Joyriders had smashed into some existing. I'm still thick of bloody cold, it's doing me head in, I can't shake it off. It was that bad, I'd booked Premier League darts in Leeds last night and I couldn't even go with my son. I had to give my ticket away to his stepdad, so thanks for stepping in, Johnny. At least our Jack enjoyed it. I'm gutted to miss that. And I could see a few Leeds United players were in crowd and all. Watched it on telly, but anyway. So we're just going to get loaded up now and make us way over there, and hopefully should be not too bad digging, but I have a feeling it could be a bit of a pig. But anyway, just on job now. I'm going to suss out what we're doing. This is a little job to replace. I think a car Joyriders had come through here and smashed into this. Is it loose?
That one is. That one is.
It's bent there, isn't it?
That panel is.
That one's solid. We managed to get all his railings off in one go. It was the same bolt, but yeah, we might split that flag there, put that back a bit. We're going to have to put these flags down level with feet because it's gone up like that on the feet. Shouldn't need it hit. Jacob's just got para for us now, put his crap in there. Yeah.
Look what you're missing, Baggy. Big mooching plates on.
Good early
Size
finish,
it all.
Good early finish.
Steady Friday. We've got that one to get out yet.
And that
And
one.
that one.
Jinx.
It's like Jacob, that.
It's not been the easiest. Left it a bit low, so we've got to get his flags back in. And then we're just on with this one now. Like, full out flags up, so that's the plate for. And there's plates on them, look. There's plates on. That's supposed to be took out. We've got to get that one out, and then that one. out, size of holes, what flags we've had to lift. These buggers on. Got plates. Oh. Look how deep they're in. Look, big plates on. Some nightmare. It's starting to go back in now. Jacob's playing in his sandpit, putting his flag down. We'll get this one in a minute. I'm just having a quick bit back to 8. And we've still got that bugger to do, which is not going to be a picnic either. Oh, thank God. A bit late for us on a Friday this. We've got the last jam in here that we were going home, so he just literally pulled it out with real strength. Think you jamming?
That cheese sandwich I had earlier.
Said it, Mrs. G.
Mrs. G says, Jacob's been building sandcastles with these flags all day. 3 flags, took him 4 hours, not bad, eh? He's learning his lad. We just got one to get in here, which I think that one's already cut there. I think that one's already shaped for that. Even I've had to come out of retirement to show him how to go on. What you say, Cal?
I don't know.
No, I've done that. I'll admit it. Old school post these. We've done it. Instead of mourning, we've just done it. Nearly getting there. Everything's set. Just touching up, tidying up. We're just going on gates now. Jolt drop bolts. That's sort of prepared. We've just got to cut round it a bit. And that's us done. Flags back down. Probably neater than the what originally. They're all over it shop. Putting a bit of sand and cement in now. Fill them in. We'll just get these away and then sleep this. Job is a living. I'm just going to nip back it morning and drop bolts because we took big SDS out and forgot. So I'll nip back tomorrow. Probably call it here because we're just packing away now. So another good week done. If you like what we do, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. And we'll see you next time. Thank you.